Here are some important information about Remington 870. Designer James Crow. Country of origin United States. Manufacturer Remington Arms. First production year 1950. Weight approximately 7.5-8.5 pounds. Length 37 to 49 inches. Gauge mainly 12 gauge, also 20, 28 gauge. .410 bore. Magazine capacity 4+1 or 6+1 rounds. Action pump action. Maximum effective range 40 to 50 yards. Used by U.S. military, Army, Marines, Navy, law enforcement worldwide, civilian hunters, correctional facilities, wars, conflicts, Vietnam War, Gulf War, Iraq War, Afghanistan War. Production numbers over 11 million. Material steel receiver, wood or synthetic stock. Barrel lengths 14 to 30 inches. Finish blue, parkerized, nickel, synthetic. Safety cross bolt behind trigger. Loading bottom loading. Side ejecting shells. Choke interchangeable tubes. Variants Express, Wingmaster, Police Magnum, Marine Magnum, Tactical, Modular Combat Shotgun. Reliability Extreme durability. Customization wide aftermarket support. Action bars dual to prevent binding. Sights bead standard. Ghost ring and optics mounts on tactical. Used for hunting, home defense, law enforcement, military, sport shooting. Stock options wood, synthetic, pistol grip, adjustable. Shell sizes 2 3/4, 3 inches, 3.5. Cultural impact iconic in films, TV, games. Maintenance easy to field strip. Durability long-lasting steel receiver. Market one of best-selling shotguns. Reputation smooth pump action. Compatibility optics mounts. Barrel quick swap. Shell ejection side ejection. Trigger steel premium models. Safety location behind trigger. Accessories sling mounts. Lights, rails. Military accessories bayonet mounts. Breaching tools. Performance effective up to approximately 50 yards. Collectible early Wingmaster models. Manufacturing originally Ilion, NY. Production status ongoing with some interruptions. Aftermarket huge parts availability. Influence modern shotgun designs. Usage civilian and professional worldwide. Action smoothness very smooth cycling. Tactical variants short barrels. Ghost rings. Adjustable stocks. Price range budget to premium. Legacy one of most successful shotguns in history.